Welcome to level 1 of self-healing guide for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through self-healing journey. And remember that you're not alone, because I have been there in a similar condition like you. But I found a way how to get here and now. Please take a comfortable position, sit and relax. Now we begin with some breathing techniques, and I chose the easiest for you. Place the left palm of your hands on your belly and the right on your chest. Now close your eyes and focus your intention on your left palm. Take a breath and count to 3 and expand your belly. Then exhale. Release all tensions. Count to 6 and let your belly goes back. Once again, take breath and count to 3. Then exhale and count to 6. Hold your intention on your breath. Once again, inhale and count to 3. And feel your belly expand. Then exhale and count to 6. Now, keep your intention on your breath and imagine the picture. You sit over there and you take a deep breath and you count to 10. Imagine how freely and comfortable feel until you expand your belly with this deep breath. Then you exhale slowly and count to 10. And you relax all your body by releasing your air through your nose. And once again, take a deep breath and count to 10. Hold this picture in your imagination. Feel all sensations. Feel the emotions that you do this at this very moment. And then slowly exhale through your nose and count to 10. Now take your attention on your heart and take one breath through your nose and count to 3. Then you exhale and count to 6. You release all tension from within. You watch level 1 of self guide for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Thank you.